Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to Matt Hart's Ice Cream. Today we're going to try the new Blizzard of the Month, Triple Berry Brownie. I love Blizzard of the Month because they typically rock. Like, the only limiting factor is how much stuff they mix in. And this one has got strawberry, blueberry, and blackberry purees with chocolate chunks and brownie bits. And I love brownie bits. They're the best thing you could possibly put into an ice cream. And the nutritional information isn't up yet on the website. I'm going to assume it's like all the other small blizzards and somewhere from like 550 calories to 650 calories. Now that is about an hour on an elliptical to work off. And make sure you do, because the more exercise you get, the more ice cream you get to eat. Results vary. You can lose 2 to 5 pounds per week the first 2 weeks and 1 to 2 pounds per week thereafter. Consult your physician before continuing with this program. We're foodies. We love to eat. We just do our parents did too. So it kind of tastes like you know those mystery box of chocolates, and you get that kind of fruity one, and you're like, okay, yeah, you're like, okay, cool. This isn't like gross, but it's not like anything to write home. You're gonna go back to that mystery box of chocolate and try to pick like a better one, but it's passable. The brownies, of course, rock, so like the brownies are kind of making it up there for me, but this is definitely kind of an average blizzard, and I guess I was disproportionately excited for this. So on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm gonna give Dairy Queen's Blizzard of the Month, the Triple Berry Brownie, 3 scoops of happiness. Triple Berry Blizzard Brownie.
It's a lot of bees.
There is. This is hard to say. You don't know what conditions I'm in. I'm trying to eat this ice cream and perform on camera. This is ridiculous.